Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Arduino programming. In this, in the previous episode, I have taught you the basics of Arduino programming and how to install Arduino IDE. In this episode, I am going to be teaching you how to use a variable, what is the meaning of a variable, and how to declare a variable. So, so first I'll tell you what is the meaning of a variable. A variable is nothing but you can store value or data inside a variable. And then it can be used, it can be accessed later on. I'll take an example. You have some chocolates, and then you'll not just keep it on the table, you will put it inside a container or a box, and then you'll store it. So the box or the container is known as the variable. Like it is a variable, and then the chocolates are the value. So and then if you want to eat the chocolate or take it, you you want to access it. You will access through the name of the variable, or you'll access through the variable. So first, I will tell you how to declare a variable. So I'll tell you the format. First, you're going to write the data type, and then you're going to write the name of the variable, and then the value. Okay. So now, what is a data type? Data type tells what is the type of the value, like or the data, like um is it an integer or a float value, or is it a character? For example, int will take the name of the variable as x, then maybe the value is 10. You can, oh sorry, or it can be a float. Can be float like 10.5, or it can be a character, like for example the dollar symbol or the percentage symbol or the and symbol, like that. But for now, I'm going to take the integer value, or you can even leave it like this. If you want, you can just leave it like this. You have just declared the variable. You have not yet set the value. So the default value will be 0 inside it. And then you can change the value of it in later on in the code. So for now, I'm going to keep the value. So there are two types of variables, global variable and local variable. A global variable is nothing but, see, I have declared the variable here. I can access this variable in this function. I can I can use this variable in the setup function. Um, but if I declare this variable inside this function, and then if I try to use this variable in another function, then and if I run the code, it will throw me an error telling that x was not declared in the scope. It means that x is not declared, but x is declared here, right? But it will not get it, because whatever, see, if a variable is declared inside this function, then it should be used within this function. It can't be used in another function. But if the variable is declared outside all the functions, then it can be used from any function. So that is the meaning of global variable and local variable. Another thing is that the programs which you write in Arduino are case sensitive. Meaning of case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means that, see, for example, void or int. For example, if you take this name int, then it can't be written in capital letters. Like for example, I, a capital INT. And if I run it, it will be like um, int. It's wrong. So you should write it in small letter only. So whatever you should write in small letter, that should be written in small letter. It can't be written in capital letter. For example, pin mode. This is a function in in this programming, Arduino programming. So if I change this capital M into small m, um, then it will throw me an error telling that it's pin mode, like it's not there, something like that. So it should be, the M should and must be in capital letters. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Share this video with someone who is interested in Arduino programming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.